Hello, this is Kartik Vashi of Schmersal. I am excited to present another new innovation from Schmersal. AZM40 is our latest innovation from Schmersal that is an RFID-based solenoid door interlock. I will be highlighting 10 key features of this door interlock. As you have noticed its size, yes, it's the world's smallest solenoid electronic door interlock in the market. It's only 119.5 millimeters long, 40 millimeters wide, and only 20 millimeters thick. The actuator size is quite small as well. It's 40 by 40 millimeter with 20 millimeters thickness. Combined, the solution makes it versatile for many applications. Like many of our electronic door interlocks, AZM40 is also a Category 4 Performance Level E SIL 3 rated safety door interlock. AZM40 uses bistable locking principle. This means user can decide if they need to use power to lock or power to unlock based on the application. Not only that, it also consumes less power. Also, it's great for applications with rundown times. In applications with rundown time, it particularly helps because it leaves the locking switch in locked position even when there is no power to the switch. In addition to the bistable locking principle, we also offer two different versions for either a process locking or for personnel locking. AZM40B is for process locking and AZM40Z is for personnel locking. Because of the innovative design of the AZM40, it can be used in many applications. Applications with sliding doors, applications with hinge door, or applications with angled actuation of the hinge doors. This is particularly very helpful because the switch offers 180 degrees of actuating angles. AZM40's housing is built particularly for two types of applications. One, standard applications where the screws are countersink, so saves a lot of space, or plant housing, the PH version that can be also versatile for many applications. Based on the location of the RFID tag onto the actuator tongue and the location of the coil on the switch can detect door position. Once the door is positioned in place, then a user can send a lock signal with up to 2,000 newtons of holding force. Not only that, it also has a built-in latch function, so once the door is unlocked, it still remains closed with a latching force of 40 newtons. Based on the RFID technology, the switch is designed to meet the requirements of ISO 14119. That means it can meet the requirement for high-level coding as well. We have I1 version and I2 version. I1 version where user can teach the actuator one time. The I2 version is a little bit more flexible and user can reteach the actuator based on the application. Like many of our other RFID sensors, AZM40 also offers advanced diagnostics. This advanced diagnostics can be indicated by the LED located in front of the switch. This LED is located such convenient way that users can see the status from all three sides of the switch. In this case, AZM40 not only offers this diagnostics that you have seen in the past with other electronic sensors, but additionally, it also offers lifetime indications. That means if you have reach its lifetime of 95%, it gives you an indication. And once it reaches 100% of the lifetime, it also gives you another indication. That way the user knows when to replace the switch. Thank you for watching the video for our latest innovation AZM40. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact me directly and I would be happy to help you.